Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create stunning presentations online, fast and free, then this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through how to use Google Slides step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create, design, and share a professional looking presentation right from your browser. Let's dive in. Now, let's see how to access Google Slides. Simply go to docs.google.com/presentation or just search for Google Slides in Google. Once you're there, sign in with your Google account. This allows you to save and sync your presentations across your phone, tablet, or computer. Perfect for editing anytime, anywhere. Next up, let's create your first presentation. On the main Google Slides page, click the plus sign labeled blank. This opens a brand new presentation, your creative workspace. You'll see the first slide ready to edit with a title box and a subtitle box. Think of this as your clean digital canvas. Now, let's add some content. Click directly inside the text boxes to start typing. You can format text easily, use Ctrl+B to bold, Ctrl+I to italicize, or Ctrl+U to underline key points. To add visuals, head to the Insert menu at the top. From there, you can add images, shapes, charts, and even videos. Want a quick way to find images? Use the built-in Google image search. It's integrated right inside Slides, so you don't even need to leave the page. This makes adding visuals super fast and seamless. Now let's make your presentation look amazing. Click on the theme button in the toolbar on the right-hand side. You'll see a gallery of professional designs you can apply instantly. Pick one that fits your topic, maybe something minimal for business or colorful for school projects. The theme updates all your slides automatically, giving your presentation a polished and cohesive look in seconds. And that's it. You have just learned how to use Google Slides, from accessing it to designing beautiful slides effortlessly. It's free, easy to use, and perfect for anyone who wants to create impactful presentations online in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more Google Workspace tools next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.